Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel here. Today we have maybe a shorter end video. It's not too much to really talk about, but we got some interesting details. It's all going to be about the S650 Mustang. Our order has been updated. We have some whole lot of new information coming along. We've made some changes to the car. We've added some stuff. The media drives have been happening as we speak, so I've got people out at the media drive sending me photos that I'm allowed to use in these videos. So huge thanks to Rev and Evan and Staying Mode for sending me these pictures and stuff that I can throw throughout the video to showcase some of the cool colors that they have now that they've been able to see. I can't wait to get behind the wheel of it myself. We saw at Barrett Jackson a couple months back, we saw the Ruby Red or the Rapid Red Mustang that they have, and we saw the Vapor Blue on the EcoBoost and the Dark Ember Dark Horse. So as you can tell, we have a yellow splash Mustang on the way. The thumbnail for this video is huge thanks to Rev and Evan. Make sure you go check out his channel and Staying Mode. Subscribe to them both. I'll throw a link in the description for both pages, and up here I might have a card if I can figure out how to do that. I got the build sheet inside. I'm gonna run down the build sheet, let you know what we've changed and added, go over some of the cool things, and then that'll be it. But seeing some of these photos live from California, the Atlas Blue is sick. It's pretty much this color on a S550 or an S650 with the new one. And then the yellow splash, the grabber blue, the carbonized gray, dark matter gray. You have the race red, the Oxford white, the silver, the black. The black with the bronze looks sick, but we went with the yellow with the black interior, red calipers. We were going to do red seat belts, but that was holding up the car and delaying it from being built. So we took the red seat belts off and we added Magnaride. I can't wait to be able to feel Magnaride with the auto rev matching. After listening to Jim Owens in Florida talk about Magnaride and how it works, and then driving the Mach 1 with Magnaride, I so can't wait to feel that and have a car with Magnaride. Then if you're an aftermarket company and you want someone to work with for parts on an S650, hit me up. Let's do some work. Let's collab. I know Steeda, we're gonna probably lower the car with the Steeda springs for Magnaride. We're definitely getting tinted. The wheels, I love the stock wheels that come on it, so we might keep the wheels, but maybe we get with the guys at RTR, put some RTR parts on it. And then speaking of RTR, new Mustang, next week on the 27th, Thursday the 27th, me, Derek, and Jake will be in Charlotte for the Dark Horse R reveal event at Charlotte Motor Speedway. If you want to go, I'll put the RSVP link in the description so you can RSVP for the event. Should be pretty cool fun. I heard RTR told me today that they're going to have the new RTR Mustang there on display. You're also going to be able to do like laps of the oval in your cars. Not probably fast, probably like some parade laps, but either way, that's still pretty cool. So let's go ahead and get the build sheet and go run through this real quick. So again, huge thanks to Rev and Evan for these photos of the yellow splash Nite Pony package, because the spec is literally identical to the one we're getting, minus that one was an auto, ours is manual, and we have red calipers. But still, being able to see the car like in a real photo is pretty crazy, and up close and personal, seeing the flake and some of the cool Easter eggs like the ponies in the back window or that show all the different generations of the Mustang is insane. So super cool. Huge thanks to Evan for that, and huge thanks for Staying Mode for sending me these other photos of some of the other cars. We really appreciate both of y'all. Rady's Ride was down there, Throttle House was there, all these channels were there. I think my boy David was there. So it'll be interesting to see all these videos come out. Can't wait to get ours so I can get some hands-on driving and bring y'all some cool videos. Sucks we're going to be late to the party. The goal was to have the car for Mustang Week, but obviously we're just now getting into production. So, and they haven't even started shipping the cars out yet. So at the time of recording this. So who knows when they're going to start shipping the cars out and when. They'll probably have some at Mustang Week, but I don't know about if it's going to be customer cars or just Ford cars. I wish we had ours so we could have a customer car there, especially in the yellow. The yellow looks so cool. It's an incredible color, and y'all are really going to like this from what I've seen. Sucks that we weren't invited out to the event this year, but we're going to keep growing the channel. We're going to get big. We're going to start doing these fun videos, and one day we will be out there. We will be getting invited to these press events and having fun. But I got the build sheet here. Let me just run through this real quick so y'all know what we're dealing with. So we got the GT Premium Coupe in the yellow splash. Absolutely amazing color from all the photos. Everyone that I've talked to has said that has seen all the colors in the spectrum. have said the yellow is their favorite color this year. So I can't wait to see that. That's going to be amazing. So we're yellow splash, black onyx interior. We get the 401A package, so you get all the cool interior stuff, all the upgraded interior stuff. You also get the Bang & Olufsen sound system with the 401A package. That's new this year. You only had to pay the extra for the sound system. Now it comes within the package. You move down, you get the security package and the co-pilot assist with the navigation included in 401A. So you get a lot with 401A this year. We got the 6-speed manual, because save the manuals. 10 speed's fun, 10 speed's fast, but nothing's as fun as driving a manual on the daily. It's a 5-liter V8, obviously, with 480 horsepower. We got the active exhaust on ours, so we'll be 486. Crank horsepower, I'm not sure what it's going to accumulate to. Once we get it, we'll have to throw it in a dyno and see what it makes bone stock with that new 4th Gen 5.0 with the dual intakes. I saw that motor in person down in Florida, and it was super. As we move on, performance package, so with the Nite Pony package, so you'll have the blacked out roof, mirror caps, you'll have the black side badging, the black horse in the front, you'll have the headlights from the factory will be tinted, as you can see in the photos that I've been putting throughout the video, and that's going to look insane. The wheels, if you saw Sagar's M4 in our channel, it'll be kind of like the stock M4 wheels, and I absolutely love that design. He's going to be so mad to see those wheels in person, but LOL. You have the big rear spoiler. I wish the spoiler was painted black in the Nite Pony package. I've seen photos of it painted, so I don't know if that's after the fact or just a couple cars that luckily had it. We got the Nite Pony package, so the wheels that come with the performance package will be painted black on our car. You'll have red calipers instead of the black ones. You could get red, black, or grabber blue. We went with red, so like right here, it'll all be red. 6 pistons up front, 4 pistons in the back with the electronic brake. So we'll have the drift e-brake. I don't know how much we're gonna use it, if even at all, because big man up there might kill me if I use the e-brake, so I'm not trying to risk that. Then active exhaust, Magnaride dampening. I'm so excited for Magnaride again. Never driven a car with Magnaride until I drove Derek's Mach 1. And then driving in the Mach 1s in Florida around the track, insane. That's pretty much it for the spec sheet of it. Let's go inside and look at the computer. All right, so we're on the computer. We're going through this. As you can see right here, our vehicle is scheduled to be built the week of September 25th. Now, obviously the goal again was to have it at Mustang Week, but with them not even shipping the cars, obviously that's not going to happen. They haven't even started shipping cars, so there might not even be any at Mustang Week anyways, customer-wise. Manufacturer-wise, there'll probably be some there. But the 25th is middle end of the month, in between. But I've been seeing people's build dates as something, and they've gotten the cars built weeks early. We could be built end of August, or we could be built beginning, middle of September before this date. And Jake's Dark Horse is scheduled for the same week. So it's possible me and Jake's cars get built on the same day, week, time, whatever. So that'd be really cool to have matching cars that were built together. Obviously his is a white Dark Horse, ours is a yellow GT, so that doesn't work. But it would be really cool if we got our cars at the same exact time. All right, so we're into the system now. You can see that our order was ordered and confirmed on March 31st. And we're just now getting the scheduled production thing, which is surprisingly, it has not moved forward to the scheduled week of yet. But I'd rather it stay in order confirmed until it's actually in production. But let's go ahead and show you some of the pictures of what the car will look like. All right, let's go ahead and look at these photos. So obviously, you got the yellow splash, Nite Pony package. Actually, this photo is showing the spoiler in black. So we might get the spoiler black now. At first, they weren't painting them black. They were just painting them body color. But it looks like they are now doing them black. So what I just said earlier might be true. But there's the black roof, the black wheels, but you see, if I can get a better photo where you can see the design, I love that design. The rear end, you'll see in some of the photos, the rear end has absolutely grown on me. I didn't like it when I very first saw it, the photos when they unveiled it, because I didn't like how it popped out like right here and then like flattened down. But now I'm starting to love it. Taillights, when you see it in person, they're more of a straight line instead of a weird edged thing. They look really good in person. With the wheels, you got the red calipers back and front. The front end shot is menacing. Remember, there's 2 lights in either side of the grille. So the RTR grille should be plug and play. I'm not going to confirm that because I don't know. I haven't seen it in person. But I will update next week when I see the RTR in person. Then you have the cool active grills down here. The hood scoop, very Camaro-ish. That's the only Camaro-ish part of the car I see. And maybe this flat rear hip. But to me, that's more of a C8 with the flat rear. But honestly, side profile looks really good. You see the side. Interior, got the manual, of course. I have a carbon fiber shift knob right there that will work with this car. You have your awesome dual screens, your gauge cluster, and then your infotainment screen with the buttons right here. It's going to be an incredible car. And then we scroll back to the front and you get the main photo. You can also see your window sticker here, but because our car has not gone into production yet, we can't see it until the vehicle goes in onto the production line. Here's all the dealership information, blah, blah, blah. That's pretty much it for the car, though. Once again, huge thank you to Staying Mode and Evan for the photos that you have seen throughout this video. Can't wait to have this car in person. Can't wait to touch it, drive it, and actually get a feel for it. Next week, again, we'll see you all at the Dark Horse R event. If you come out, say what's up. RSVP link is in the description. And I know a lot of people are going. I'll be out there with Derek and Jake. I got some other friends coming out. If you're also in Charlotte next week, next Friday, we might be hosting a meet at Power Curve. But we'll keep y'all updated. But until then, see y'all later. Have a good one. Bye.